Hello, I am Atif and here I am going to show you the modern calligraphy with nothing but a marker, a simple marker with a cutted tip. Dear friends, you just need to focus only 7 days on this calligraphy. You will be able to write like this. Here I am going to show you some alphabets. You can practice this with this video. Most of the parts of the alphabets that are related to designing is narrow. Very small particle will be bold, as you can see in the A and B. The extra designing will be narrow in the most of the cases. As you can see in the C, the extra designing is narrow and the main body of the letter is bold. When you want to write the bold letter, you have to exert some pressure on the tip so it will make a bold line. The narrow areas, there will be no pressure on the tip. And remember that in most of the cases, when the marker's tip is moving in upward direction, it will be narrow, and the cases when the tip is moving in downward direction, there will be some pressure on the tip and it will write boldly. The height of each alphabet should be same, and that should not be different in all the alphabets when you are writing capital letters. And one more thing, the angle of that capital letter, that should also be same in all letters. You have to remember the parts of the alphabet which are bold and narrow. So we have to focus on these bold and narrow areas of the alphabet to learn it quickly. The paper that we are using for calligraphy, that should be very smooth so it cannot disturb the movement of the tip on the paper. If the paper is rough, that will be very difficult to move the tip on this paper, so that will cause a trouble for you. That will disturb your writing and yourself. In the start, if you feel some difficulty in the size of the alphabets, you can draw the 3 lines, as I am also using these 3 lines to write these letters. And remember that there should be some distance between the 2 lines. How much distance between these 2 lines? Distance should be equal to the 4 times the size of tip of the marker. The size of tip of the marker may be different. That's why I'm telling you, whatever the size of your tips of the marker, the line difference should be 4 times of the size of the tip. And same distance will be between the second and the third line, also equal to 4 tips of the marker. Dear friends, if that video was helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe my channel on the YouTube. Then inshallah I will bring the more video for you on this calligraphy so you can learn better. Thank you so much for watching.